Meaning and authenticity. Class, sa humanistic psychology, isang malaking tanong ay ito: ano ang nagbibigay ng meaning sa buhay ng tao? Sabi ng humanistic thinkers tulad ni na Maslow at Rogers, ang meaning ay iyong pakiramdam na may direction ang buhay mo. Hindi ka lang gumigising para magbayad ng bills o mag-check ng notifications. Halimbawa, may trabaho ka, pero nararamdaman mo na may purpose ang ginagawa mo. Kahit pagod ka, iniisip mo, may dahilan kung bakit ko ginagawa ito. Ngayon pumasok ang concept ng authenticity. Ibig sabihin, ang buhay mo ay aligned sa internal values mo. Hindi ka lang sumusunod sa expectation ng ibang tao. Halimbawa, pinili mo ang career dahil gusto mo talaga, hindi lang dahil iyon ang gusto ng kapitbahay, ng barkada, or ng buong barangay. Kapag may meaning at authenticity ang buhay ng tao, mas nagkakaroon ng psychological integrity at personal growth. Hindi lang survival, kundi purposeful living. At ngayon, tingnan naman natin kung paano ginagamit ang humanistic psychology sa real life, sa therapy, education, at leadership. Applications of Humanistic Psychology. Class, ang humanistic psychology hindi lang theory sa libro. Ginagamit ito sa real-life settings. Una, client-centered therapy. Ito ang approach ni Carl Rogers. Dito ang therapist hindi bossy expert. Hindi siya detective na naghahanap ng childhood crime scene. Instead, nagbibigay siya ng empathy, genuineness, at unconditional positive regard para tulungan ang client mag-grow. Pangalawa, student-centered education. Sa ganitong approach, ang teacher hindi lang nagle-lecture. Tinutulungan niya ang students na discover their own potential. Parang sinasabi, hindi lang kayo memorizing machines, thinkers kayo. Pangatlo, leadership focused on empowerment. Sa workplace, ang leader hindi lang nag-uutos, binibigyan niya ang team ng autonomy at trust para mag-develop. At pang-apat, workplace psychological safety. Kapag safe ang environment, mas creative at honest ang mga tao. Sa madaling salita, ang humanistic psychology ay tungkol sa helping people become their best selves. Pero syempre, tulad ng ibang theories, may strengths at criticisms din ito. Strengths and criticisms. Class. Tulad ng ibang psychological theories, may strengths at may criticisms din ang humanistic psychology. Unahin natin ang strengths. Isa sa pinakamalaking strength nito ay ang emphasis on human dignity and optimism. Hindi nito tinitingnan ng tao bilang machine o bundle of instincts. Tinitingnan nito ang tao bilang may potential, meaning, at capacity for growth. Pangalawa, malaking contribution nito sa modern counseling approaches. Maraming therapy today gumagamit ng empathy, authenticity, at supportive environment. Ideas na galing sa humanistic psychology. Pero may criticisms din. Una, sinasabi ng ibang researchers na limited ang empirical rigor. Ibig sabihin, mahirap sukatin scientifically ang concepts tulad ng self-actualization. Pangalawa, may criticism tungkol sa cultural bias toward individualism. Ang theory ay mas nakatuon sa personal fulfillment na mas aligned sa Western cultures. Pero kahit may criticisms, malaki pa rin ang contribution nito sa understanding human potential and well-being. At quiz time, class, existential and humanistic psychology naman. Ang tanong, an existential focus emphasizes what? Option A, deterministic drives. Ito ay idea ng psychoanalysis at biological determinism. Behavior driven by unconscious forces o instincts. Hindi ito existential perspective. Option B, meaning and authentic living. Ito ang core idea ng existential thinking. Ang tao ay naghahanap ng meaning, purpose, at authenticity sa buhay. Halimbawa, minsan napapaisip tayo, ito ba talaga ang buhay na gusto kong mabuhay? That's existential reflection. Option C, behavior modification. Ito ay approach ng behaviorism, changing behavior through reinforcement. Option D, neural activity. Ito ay focus ng neuroscience. So class, the correct answer is option B, meaning and authentic living. Quiz time ulit, class. Therapy edition naman. Ang tanong, client-centered therapy primarily aims to do what? Option A, interpret unconscious conflict. Ito ang ginagawa sa psychoanalysis ni Freud. Therapist ang nag-i-interpret ng hidden unconscious issues. Option B, reinforce desired behavior. Ito naman ang behaviorism. Gumagamit ng rewards at punishments para baguhin ang behavior. Option C, create a safe environment for self-exploration. Ito ang core ng Carl Rogers client-centered therapy. Ang therapist nagbibigay ng empathy, genuineness, at unconditional positive regard para maging safe ang space ng client mag-explore ng sarili niyang thoughts at feelings. Option D, prescribe medication. Ito ay role ng medical psychiatry. So class, the correct answer is option C. Create a safe environment for self-exploration. Last quiz na ito, class. Humanistic psychology criticism naman. Ang tanong, a major criticism of humanistic psychology is what? Option A, it ignores therapy. Actually, kabaligtaran. Malaki ang contribution ng humanistic psychology sa counseling approaches tulad ng client-centered therapy. Option B, it lacks empirical rigor. Ito ang common criticism ng researchers. Maraming concepts tulad ng self-actualization at authenticity na mahirap sukatin using strict scientific experiments. Option C, it denies human dignity. Hindi rin. Sa katunayan, kabaligtaran. Humanistic psychology emphasizes dignity, growth, at human potential. Option D, it rejects growth. Again, opposite. Growth ang pinaka-core idea nito. So class, the correct answer is option B. It lacks empirical rigor. Class, sa humanistic psychology ang pinaka-message ay simple pero powerful. Ang tao may potential na mag-grow. Hindi tayo robots na controlled lang ng instincts o rewards. May kakayahan tayong pumili at maghanap ng meaning sa buhay. Sabi ni Rogers at Maslow, kapag may acceptance, authenticity, at supportive environment, mas nagiging best version of ourselves tayo. Kaya minsan tanungin natin ang sarili natin, nabubuhay ba ako ayon sa expectations ng iba o ayon sa values ko? At tandaan ninyo, humanistic psychology reminds us that growth is always possible, kahit hindi tayo perfect.